Hi everyone. Today's video is about sounds in an English language. After giving a lesson on short sound of vowels, its CBC words and sentences, I thought I must extend my lesson for reading and writing the four-letter word. And to do so, a child must be aware of all the sounds of alphabets in an English language. So today I'm introducing with the sounds of alphabets. As you all know, we have 26 alphabets in an English language. And to that 26 alphabets, we have 44 sounds. So, in order to pronounce these 44 sounds, it is divided into vowels and consonants. The division is based on the manner of articulation. Articulation is nothing but the act of expressing something involves the articulatory organs like the tongue, the upper and the lower lip, and the upper and the lower teeth involved, and the vocal cord or the sound coming out from the nose. These are some of the organs that usually involved in pronunciation. So let's have a look to all these 44 sounds and how it gets divided. So these 44 sounds will be divided into vowels and consonants. These vowels will have 20 sounds, whereas the consonants will have 24 sounds. So your child is much aware of the vowels by now, that we have 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O and U. We were working on that in the previous lesson, yeah? And sometimes it's the Y. So here, Y is also considered as the consonant when it comes in the beginning. But when it comes at the end of a word, like you have my, shy, it makes the sound as I here. That's why it is sometimes comes under the vowel sound. Because here, at the end when it is coming, it is making the sound as I. So you have I as a vowel. But when it comes in the beginning of a word like yo-yo, y sound is coming. Y, y sound is coming. So it is not a vowel now. So when it comes in the beginning of a word, it acts as a consonant. And when it comes at the end of a word, it acts as a vowel, because it makes the sound as I. And here I is nothing but a vowel here. Yeah. So this, you have the 5 short sound. We have learned the 5 short sound of the vowels. Like so, your child is aware of the short vowel sounds. We have 5 vowels and their short sound. The sound of A, the sound of E, the sound of I, E, the sound of O, and the sound of U, So they know these 5 vowel sounds. But in English, we have 20 vowel sounds. So there are still 15 vowel sounds that is need to be explained. But these 15 sounds are somewhat tricky. So I wanted to explain in detail, and that is why I'm mentioning that this video, this lesson, today's lesson, is to the parents and not for the kids, because I don't think at the age of 5 or 6 a child could be able to understand these vowel sounds. So for them, I'm going to make in my upcoming videos more simpler methods, more new guidelines will come up in order to make them learn the 4-letter words. So let's not worry about that. but just have a look at all these sounds. It might be helpful to you in some way. Now, before going to the vowels, I'd like to introduce you with the consonant sounds because this is much simpler when it compared to the vowels. So let's have a look now. So these, after you remove the A, I'll take the another way to say A, E, I, O and U vowels, you are left with 21 consonants. 21 consonants, yeah? So these consonants are divided into voiced and unvoiced. Voiced are those when you pronounce the alphabets, it makes some vibrations in this vocal cord. So it is called voiced. And the unvoiced are those that doesn't make a vibration in this vocal cord. It's very simple. Like when you're pronouncing B, you're getting some vibrations in the vocal cord, yes? So it comes under voiced. Like you have K. So there is still a vibration, D vibration. But when it comes to F sound, there is no stress when you're pronouncing F, and there is no vibrations in the vocal cord. So it is unvoiced. G, there is a vibration. H, there is a vibration. J, there is a vibration. K, so there is no vibration. So it is unvoiced. L, there is a vibration. M, there is a vibration. N, there is a vibration. P, again you don't have a vibration. Qua, there is a vibration. R, there is a vibration. S, you don't have to stress it, yes? It's relaxed sound. So there it is unvoiced. T, there is a vibration. T also doesn't have a vibration. It comes under the unvoiced T. Yeah. V, there is a vibration. W, there is a vibration. X, there is a vibration. Y, there is a vibration. Z, there is a vibration. So it is divided into voiced and unvoiced. You got it, what I mean to say. Now, apart from that, you have some voice here. These are some consonant sounds. All this you can see here. And I have written some CBC words so your child could easily read that. Now, that is Z has sound. Treasure. J sound. For S, the J sound is coming. There is something different. J. And you have in consonant digraphs. Consonant digraphs are nothing but when you have two consonants. S is a consonant, H is a consonant. When two consonants combine together, these two letters make some different sound, something very different. Like you have S and H, but it doesn't. But this sound comes out to be a sh, so it's different. For CH and for NG, it's different, completely different. Two letters making some different sound. Two consonants making some different sound is called as a digraph. Now when it comes to TH has got two sounds. One is th sound and one is the sound. Th, thumb, and like the, you have feather, father, brother. So you need not have to worry on this because I'll be doing some activities to make more perfect with these words, okay, with these digraphs.